I'm Brett at GuideWise, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to enable your accessibility tools on your iPhone for some custom controls. If this video helped you, consider subscribing and like this video so others can find it too. But we're going to open up our settings here, and we're going to scroll down to accessibility. Then we're going to scroll down to touch, and then on the top here, we're going to tap assistive touch and then enable this toggle right here. Now you can see this white dot that I'm tapping, and you can drag it around your screen as you like. If you want to open the assistive touch controls, you just tap on that little circle, and then here are the options that you have. We can use these particular tap options. We can create custom touch options, and we can go into our device, lock the screen, put the volume up or down. We can rotate the screen and lots more, like switch apps, screenshots, shake. Basically what this does is it will mimic other options and other ways that you engage with your phone, touching it, shaking it, and whatnot, without you having to do it if there's some other problem or if using these touch features are simpler for you. Go give it a try and see if it's easier for you to navigate around your phone with this assistive touch enabled. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.